Alright, so if you are building pages in Elementor with Claude, you are going to hit a moment where the page looks done, but you're not actually sure if it's ready to publish. And that's the moment this video is about. I'm going to show you one skill that catches the stuff that you actually would miss. I call it the Elementor pre-publish review. So to follow along, you're going to need a Claude paid plan and a Claude Chrome extension. And you have to have this installed because the skill works by having Claude actually open your site and inspect it. The skill is like the checklist and the extension is like the eyes. So we are giving our Claude eyes. We are giving our Claude the eyes to be able to look at our page. Right, so this is here our Elementor website that has been built by Claude and Novamira. And yeah, it has this sticky header. And of course, I can jump to the sections. And as you can see, buttons look really good. And by the way, it has been built using atomic elements and V4 of Elementor. So all the elements you see here are V4 elements. And I like how this looks. And of course, our Elementor review skills will help us to review our page and give us feedback on a couple of sections. All right, I'm going to tell Claude to run the pre-publish review using the skill, and then you watch what actually happens, because Claude is going to load the checklist and then it's going to open the live page in Chrome and then start checking. Some things it can verify from the page itself and some things it has to check in WordPress through the connector. So I'm going to give Claude permission to be able to review my page, and this is what it is saying. It's going to take screenshots of the current page to see its visual state. Use read page to get the full accessibility tree and page structure. Use get page text to extract all text content. Provide a comprehensive review of the page, including layout, content, navigation, and any observations. And say approve plan. Here is a mouse from Claude. And you see now my page has this cloudish color. I don't know how to call it, but that frame. And you see now it is navigating my page, going bottom-wise, or going down the page. And of course, if I want to stop it, I can click over here and say stop. And in the meantime, Claude is, of course, telling me everything that it was doing right over here. And now it is giving me the feedback. The overall impression, you can read this yourself here. And here it also summarizes the design and visual identity, the structure flow, and it gives me the strengths, and also it gives me the issues. And one of the issues and suggestions, enrollment urgency mismatch. So here the page says pilot cohort closes March 31st in both announcement bar and CTS section. The current date is 27th May, which is true. I'm making this video on 27th May 2026, but before the copy is saying 31st March, maybe it is thinking that that could be a typo or something. And then it goes on and lists the different issues that it found. Then it talks about also accessibility. And in summary, it says, this is a strong professional landing page with comparing narrative and smart content architecture. The main priority items to fix before launch are the expired date in the enrollment banner, the missing email capture form, and the placeholder phone number. Resolving these three would meaningfully improve both credibility and conversion. So before I get into how you can grab the skill yourself, let me show you what's actually running here. This is my WordPress dashboard. I'm using Novamira, the free version, and Novamira, the pro version. That's a plugin that lets Claude talk to my WordPress website directly. The free version of Novamira is great for most things. I went for the pro because I needed the system, or the skill system in this case. So here is the skill itself, Elementor pre-publish. You can give it any name that you want. It's basically a markdown file with 20 items grouped into critical, important, and informational. Each item has a definition of what passes and what fails. That's it. That's the whole thing. The reason it works isn't because it's clever, it's because it's consistent, and Claude runs the same 20 checks every time, in the same order, with the same definitions. So no making up things and not forgetting things in this case. If you want this exact skill for your own builds, I have got the file linked up in the description of this video. Drop it into your Novamira and you can run it on any page you have built. The same checklist I used on this exact website. Okay, if you want to do this yourself, here exactly what you need. I will go fast, but feel free to pause the video to follow along. First, a Claude account on a paid plan. The free plan can't use the Chrome extension. I am on the Pro plan personally, but Max works too. Link in the description if you want to check it out. Second, the Claude Chrome extension. This is really necessary, I have to say. Install it from the Chrome web store, sign in and have it connected. That's what lets Claude see your live page during the review. Third is, of course, WordPress with Elementor, but it could be Bricks or any other page builder or even Gutenberg. The fourth, this is the one, Novamira on your WordPress site. This is the MCP connector that lets Claude talk to your WordPress website and Elementor directly. Yeah, we never had this before, now it's possible. The free version exists and works for basic stuff, but the Pro version brings in skills and understanding of how your page builder works, and of course memory, and saves you hours, making changes. I'm leaving my Novamira link in the description. Using that helps support the channel and you get the plugin at the same price, so no difference to you. That's the full stack: Claude on a paid plan, Chrome extension, Elementor or even Elementor Pro, Novamira Pro, and my Elementor pre-published skill file from the description of this video. Once that is set up, you can run the same review on any Elementor page that you build. Oh, and one reason I call this the one skill to rule them all, the pre-published review is a skill actually that I would hate to build without. Building is fun and building is the creative part, but shipping is where we all cut corners. And that is a skill that doesn't let that happen. So, skill file in the description, Novamira link also in the description, and go try it out and let me know what you think in the in the comments of this video. Give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and see you in the next video.